Hello everyone. Today, we're not just talking about AI, we're talking about rewriting the rules, about forging a future where your most sensitive data, your boldest innovations are untouchable, yet unleashed to their fullest potential. This is ISOCORE AI. Related Core AI. It's not just a product. It's a revolution in how enterprises harness AI securely, powerfully, and without compromise. For engineers dreaming of bulletproof systems, for executives seeking unmatched ROI, this is what you've been waiting for. Let's take a journey together. Let's start in the dust of history, where the fate of empires hung on a single guarded secret. Picture 1588, the English Channel, a storm brewing. The Spanish Armada, a juggernaut of 130 ships, sails to crush England's fledgling navy. But Queen Elizabeth I has a hidden weapon, not just ships, but silence. Her spies, her coded messages, her controlled intelligence about the Armada's movements are locked tight, shared only through trusted couriers. While Spain's plans leak like a sieve, England's stay sealed. Sir Francis Drake strikes at night, fireships scattering the enemy. The winds turn. The Armada falters, and England rises as a global power. One secret, one tightly controlled flow of information, shifts the course of history. The lesson is clear. Control the information, control the future. With ISOCORE AI, we bring that power to the age of AI. Imagine an AI as brilliant as a GPT model, your crown jewel. But instead of exposing it to the chaos of the cloud, we lock it down. We put it in a box, not just any box. A custom-engineered fortress packed with everything it needs. 8 NVIDIA B300 GPUs with 288GB HBM4 memory in a sleek 6U chassis. Storage, algorithms, and precision cooling. One secure, hardwired connection to your systems. That's it. No cloud vulnerabilities. No open ports. Just pure, isolated power. We've built on proven technology, Intel's TDX, AMD's SEV, SNP, trusted execution environments that cut the attack surface by 90% compared to standard cloud setups. This is control, like Elizabeth's coded dispatches, reimagined for today. Let's talk about control. Your data, customer records, proprietary algorithms is your lifeblood. In the cloud, every connection is a risk. Hackers. Missteps. Leaks. ISOCORE AI changes that. For engineers, it's runtime attestation, verifying the enclave's integrity in real time, ensuring only your inputs and outputs pass through. For executives, it's savings, millions avoided in breach costs. As industry reports confirm, picture a bank analyzing transactions for fraud. Sensitive customer IDs stay locked inside. Only the fraud alert flows out through that encrypted pipeline. You decide what moves. You stay in charge, just as Elizabeth held her secrets tight. Compliance. Every industry faces it. Finance, healthcare, tech. Rules that demand precision. ISOCORE AI delivers. No outbound connections. None. Data stays inside, flowing only through a hardwired channel with encryption and audit trails. We align with the Confidential Computing Consortium standards, the benchmark for secure processing. In healthcare, patient records are analyzed in isolation, delivering insights like risk predictions without exposure. For public companies, financial models stay secure, streamlining audits. This isn't just compliance, it's confidence, the kind that turns tides. Security runs deeper. Leaks aren't just data, they're your AI model itself. Reverse engineering can steal your edge. ISOCORE AI's enclave design makes that exponentially harder. Benchmarks show TEs protect model internals far better than cloud systems. For engineers, we integrate TPM 2.0 for a hardware root of trust. For executives, it's about keeping your fintech's loan prediction model trained on years of proprietary data safe. Only the approval score escapes. The rest, locked away like England's battle plans. That hardwired connection, it's not just a cable, it's a fortress gate. No outbound traffic. No remote hacks. PCIe protocols with layered encryption ensure data moves only where you want. In retail, customer purchase histories fuel insights like personalized ads, but the raw data never leaves the box. This is security that works, proven by confidential computing deployments. Your intellectual property, your algorithms, your logic is your moat. Isocore AI guards it with multi-layer encryption inspired by NVIDIA's confidential computing stacks. An e-commerce company's recommendation engine, it runs in isolation, sharing only suggestions, not the model. For executives, this means sustained market leadership. For engineers, it's a system you can trust to keep your IP yours. Legal risks, the real fines, lawsuits, reputation hits. Isocore AI cuts those risks by design. No breaches, no exposure. Healthcare research on patient data stays secure, with only statistical trends shared. Audit trails prove your diligence, potentially slashing insurance costs. This is risk management, redefined. Trade secrets, untouchable, no insider errors. No remote attacks. A pharmaceutical company analyzing drug formulas keeps them sealed, delivering only viability reports. Your innovation stays yours, as guarded as Elizabeth's coded missives. Now, the tough stuff, harmful or restricted data. PII, toxic content, misinformation. Standard AI models shy away. Isocore AI embraces it securely. Social media platforms analyzing hate speech for moderation. The data stays locked, producing models without leaks. This is where compliance meets courage, enabling challenges others can't touch. Now, let me take you to a moment that defines our mission. It's 2025, and we stand at a crossroads. Humanity's greatest leaps, fire, the wheel, the internet, came from daring to defy limits. We've conquered distance, disease, darkness. But today, AI is our frontier, and it's chained by fear. Fear of leaks, of breaches, of lost secrets. We say, enough. Isocore AI isn't just a tool, it's a declaration. We can build AI that's safe. That's bold. That's ours. No rules to cage it, no risks to bind it. We've engineered a future where your data, your ideas are as secure as a vault, yet free to soar. This is humanity's next leap, not stealing fire, but forging it, controlling it, making it eternal. Isocore AI is that fire safe enough to set free. And here's the spark, LoRa adapters. Low-rank adaptation lets you fine-tune AI for restricted domains, health research, misinformation detection, where public models balk. In biotech, fine-tune on clinical trial data to accelerate breakthroughs, all in isolation. In tech, enhance content filters for toxic data. Isocore AI's quantized model support ensures efficiency, opening doors to innovation safely. Real-world proof? Takes Eureka, a pharma leader. Using Fortanix and NVIDIA's confidential computing, they boosted AI model accuracy by 9% for drug discovery, cutting costs and time while keeping data secure. Novo Nordisk leverages similar tech for faster breakthroughs. Isocore AI builds on these, tailored for you. Want to see it? Picture a demo. We load your dataset into an Isocore AI prototype 8 B300 GPUs humming in a 6U chassis. You run queries, see real-time responses, review security audits, sub-10 miss latencies, 0 leaks. That's isolation, live. Performance? Isocore AI shines. Dedicated hardware means no cloud lag, no server hiccups. Benchmarks show 20-30% latency overhead in secure modes, optimized for AI. For engineers, it's 288 GB HBM4 throughput. For executives, it's lower cloud bills, higher ROI. Real-time applications thrive. Chatbots. Consistent responses boost satisfaction, cutting churn. Trading systems. Predictable execution maximizes profits. E-commerce personalization. Instant suggestions drive sales. Content moderation, timely detection keeps platforms safe. Reliability delivers results, proven by deployments. Yes, Isocore AI requires investment, 1,100K to 1,500K upfront, but compare that to cloud costs or breach penalties. It's a smart bet, scaling like NVIDIA's DGX Super PODs. This is AI's future, secure, powerful, yours. Let's assess your workload for a proof of concept. Engineers, share hardware needs. Executives, outline strategic goals. Comment below or reach out at. Let's build this together. Thank you for joining me. Isocore AI isn't just technology. It's a new era. Like, share, subscribe, and let's redefine what's possible. The future starts now.